transforming raw logs into high-quality lumber using a powerful and precise sawmill machine. Every cut requires skill, accuracy, and experience to produce clean, consistent boards for a wide range of applications, including construction, furniture, making, and woodworking projects. In this video, you'll watch the complete process as large logs are carefully cut into different sizes and types of lumber. The sawmill operates efficiently, ensuring smooth, precise cuts while maximizing the use of every piece of wood and minimizing waste. From start to finish, you'll see how modern machinery and skilled craftsmanship work together to create strong, high-quality lumber. Enjoy the full process, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing sawmill, logging, and woodworking videos.